Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create a QR code for Google Forms. Creating a QR code for your form is super handy. Anyone can just scan it and instantly open your form without needing to type in any links. Let's get started. First, open up the Google form you want to use. Make sure it's complete and ready to be shared. Then, head over to the top right corner and click on the Publish button. It's the one you usually use to share your form. On the Publish page, you'll see a few different options. Look for the paperclip icon that's for the form's link. Click it, and you'll see the full link appear. I recommend checking the Shorten URL box to make the link neater. Then, click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Next, open a new browser tab and search for QR Code Generator. There are a lot of options out there, but I personally like QR-code-generator.com. It's easy to use and free. Once you're on the site, simply paste the link you copied into the box. Right away, it'll start generating your QR code. You can customize your QR code if you want, change the color, add a frame, or adjust the design, but if you just need a basic QR code, you can go ahead and hit Download. Wait a few moments while your QR code is created, and once it's ready, it'll automatically download to your device. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder. Now you're all set. You can share this QR code anywhere people can scan it with their phone cameras and instantly access your Google form. It's a quick, simple, and professional way to collect responses. And that's it, you are done.